Make your dreams a reality at this gorgeous property. Just like the NYC skyline, Seton Residence stands tall and proud, offering an unmatchable student living experience. Choose from a range of private and shared rooms with furnishing and essential amenities. You've got single, double, and triple rooms, each space thoughtfully designed with a comfy bed, study desk, chair, closet, and dresser. Keep the lo-fi music looping with high-speed Wi-Fi, focus harder on the co-working space, and rinse away the dirty laundry with the in-unit washer-dryer. Additionally, all utility bills are covered. Enjoy security and fun community events that make Seton more than a generic residence, it's a lifestyle. To add to this, if the mind-blowing proximity of a 4-minute walk to the City University of New York isn't enough, the property is also a 7-minute drive from Baruch College and 9 minutes from the CUNY Hunter College. Explore the cultural richness at the nearby museums, wrap yourself with books at Morgan Library and Museum, and take a stroll to Pier 39 for its unbeatable views. The dreamiest student pads are waiting just a click away, so check out amberstudent.com for more.